They say AI can't read your mind, but wait till you see Nano-Banana. All you have to do is go to Google and search for Gemini. Just click on the first option that says Google Gemini and open it. When it opens, you'll see a few options there. Click on Create Image. It will ask you to describe the image, but it also gives you another option to upload your own file. So let's do that. I'm going to upload a picture of Ronaldo. I'll write a prompt saying, make him wear a black suit and press enter. It takes just a few seconds, and boom, it creates the image for us. Let's try another one. Let's add a red tie, and again, in just a few seconds, it generates it perfectly. Let's say we want to remove the football from the image. And just in a few seconds, boom, it's done. Now let's try something else. Let's change the background. And again, boom, it's done perfectly. Now let's add something new. I'll give it a prompt saying, make the floor tiled. And you can see how beautifully it creates that. Let's take it even further. I'll say, make him stand nicely and look professional, because obviously he's in an office. And wow, what I notice is that he looks a bit angry, so let's fix that. I'll write, make him smile. Finally, let's add one more touch. I'll give it a prompt saying, add a briefcase in his hand, and wow, just look at that. It's amazing how quickly and perfectly it does all this. And you may be wondering how amazing this already is, but let me show you something even more incredible. Imagine you have a dress design and you take a picture of any model from the internet and upload both the model's picture and the dress picture. Then in the description, simply write something like, make the model wear the clothes from the second image. And just watch, it does it perfectly. Let's add another prompt saying, make the fabric look natural with proper shadows. And see what it creates. Amazing. Now let's try another picture. Suppose we don't even want to take pictures of a model at all, and we want AI to handle everything. So we'll upload only the image of the dress and tell it, create a model wearing this dress. It not only creates the model, but styles it perfectly too. Let's try another idea, like a girl of age 6 wearing the same dress. It generates it instantly. I think the dress looks a bit too small for a 6-year-old, so let's fix that. I'll write, make the dress size bigger. It adjusts it beautifully. This is honestly one of the most wonderful things ever. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Design for more creative content.